that that is now my network. Again, notice how they say subnet here. Now if I make this my subnet, this is a unique network that is different than this network right here. Okay? So all we're really doing here, from here on out, we're taking one large network. We're going to create smaller networks, or at least see where the small networks are at. Okay? So that's all this slide is really trying to tell you right here. Okay? Then we get here. I do want to spend time here because I don't want to explain this over again. This is the biggest cheat sheet you are ever going to get from me, okay? You guys already know what these integers mean, correct? These are your placement values. What I would like for you guys to do is tell me what is a default class A subnet mask. Tell me what that is.
255.0.0.
I'm sorry, I can't see this over here. Let's do a /8, which is going to be a 255.0.0.0. Okay, and if you didn't know that, you should know that by now. Okay? What's the default class B address? Jerry?
255.255. So /16.
Okay? And out there, why don't you give it to me, Jeremy? Give me a class C, default subnet mask.
It's going to be /32 or /24, I should say.
Very good. 24, what would that be?
55.0.
Very good. So, everybody knows these defaults right now, correct? There's no problem with this, right? So, what I want you to write up here is these integers, okay? 128, 192, 224, 240, 248, 252, 254, 255. I just wrote out these things up here. Okay? And as you can see, these are the possible subnet masks you can get. And of course, don't forget, you can always get 0 if it's all zeros. Okay? So this is your biggest cheat sheet right here. Alright? And what do I mean by cheat sheet? Well, because I know, and you know, guys, just think about this real quick. Why is it that I can only get these subnet masks? Why can't I get like a 241? Why can't I get like a 250-30? Like, why can't I get a 129? Again, what is the subnet mask doing for me? It's supposed to tell me, oh, everything to the left is the network, everything to the right is the host, right? So here, if I use the /128, I'm drawing the line right here. If I'm using a 122, I'm drawing the line right here. If I'm using a 224, it's right here. If I have a 10101011, how am I going to know where to draw my line? Right? It's discontiguous. So in this case, makes it very easy when I'm looking at subnet masks and where my network jumps are going to be. So, because I wrote this out for you guys, we know this information already. Okay? Alex, if I gave you a /29, give me the subnet mask. Well, Alex, what you would do is you're going to say, hey, what do you already know? You know what a /24 looks like, right? How many bits is a /29 from a /24? What's the change here? 5 bits, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's your answer? Very good. Now, Rodney, I'm going to give you a /19. What do you know? What is the difference between a /16 and a /19?
So you're going to give me a /16, /19?
I'm giving you a /19, but what's the difference between a /16 and a /19?
4.
3. 3 bits. There we go. And if I wanted to do that, then I say 1, 2, 3. What would your answer be for a /19? Give me the subnet mask.
Yeah, 224.
255, 255, 224.
Yes.
Right? Okay? And if I gave you guys like a /20 over here, let's give the other Alex a chance.
So it would be 255, 240.
Very good, 240. Okay? So this is a quick way of finding out what your subnet mask is And then here's your cheat.